Are you thinking about the best career options after MCom? Master of Commerce (MCom) is a popular 2-year postgraduate degree offered by several recognized universities in India. Its curriculum is a level up from the concepts that you learn about in a BCom program. Typically, students opt for an MCom qualification to delve deeper into the professional spheres of accounting, taxation, banking, finance, and insurance. But choosing a career path from a variety of alternatives without any guidance can prove to be tricky. It is not easy to find high-paying jobs for MCom graduates. If one has not chosen the right course after MCom, one has to know the list of all career options after MCom to select the right one. Here are a few tips to guide your way. 1. Enroll in an MBA program. MBA is the most popular course available for students and one of the best courses after MCom. Not just graduating from commerce, but any other field. An MBA degree finds a place among the most preferred options among candidates who want to qualify for managerial positions and advance their careers. While studying MCom, you learn about business, economics, stock markets, accountancy, among other things. But when you pursue higher education in business administration, you also learn how to apply your technical know-how to solve problems and help organizations grow. 2. Become a chartered accountant. Chartered accountancy or CA has proven to be one of the top most career options after MCom. You are eligible to take the exam right after high school, but it demands dedicated preparation. After qualifying the 3 stages of CPT, IPCC and finals, you will need to complete an articleship of 2.5 years to practice professionally. Many talented CA graduates find employment in the Big 4 accounting firms, namely Deloitte, KPMG, EY and PwC. 3. Consider doing ACCA course. If you wish to work in accounting and finance, you can also consider pursuing the Chartered Certificate Accountant qualification provided by the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants (ACCA) Institute. The 2-year course is highly valued in multinational corporations. But before you become an official ACCA member, you will also need to complete 3 years in a practical setting. The minimum eligibility is a 10+2 educational qualification with at least 65% aggregate score in math, accounts and English and 50% in all other subjects. So many students from the commerce stream enroll in the program during their undergraduate studies. 4. Pursue company secretaryship. If you are wondering what to do after MCom, Company Secretary (CS) is one of the many pivotal job roles in an organization. A company secretary (CS) looks after the legal compliance and regulatory requirements of public and private sector companies. The 3 stages of the CS course include a foundation, executive and professional. The candidates also have to undergo 15 months of practical training, after which they become an associate CS and earn an ICSI membership. ICSI refers to the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, which is the only recognized body providing the CS course in the country, boasting of more than 62,000 members. 5. Earn the CMA credential. Certified Management Accountant (CMA) is a professional course requiring aspirants to complete 2 stages of examination and gain 2 years of work experience. This prestigious credential is offered by the IMA, an association based in the United States, and enjoys global recognition, which made this one of the best courses after MCom. CMA certified individuals are acknowledged for their expertise in 2 core areas: management accounting and financial management. They are expected to be knowledgeable in financial analysis, planning, control, and decision support. You will find that corporate recruiters prefer hiring CMA holders for such profiles. CMA is one of the preferred courses after MCom. 6. Complete the CFA course. CFA is one of the best courses after MCom. CFA stands for the Chartered Financial Analyst Program, offered by the US-based CFA Institute. It presents a great doorway into the world of investment and finance. The program covers topics related to financial analysis, bonds and derivatives, portfolio and investment management, etc. Once you are through with the 3 tiers of CFA, you can be hired by some of the top global financial firms such as Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Royal Bank of Canada, and Morgan Stanley. To be eligible to take the Level 1 exam, you should be in the final year of your undergraduate degree. Although the duration of the course is 2.5 years, it takes an average of 4 years to attain the tag of a CFA charter. 7. Obtain a CPA license. One of the most prevalent career options after MCOM is the Certified Public Accountants certification. CPAs attain their designation from the American Institute of CPAs or AICPA. Individuals who possess a CPA license have an in-depth understanding of the Generally Accepted Accounting Principles (GAAP), GAAP, and a robust accounting background. To acquire the certification, you will have to take a rigorous 4-part exam. Now, let us understand what CPAs do in a company. Basically, they perform the financial statements, auditing, and attestation functions, helping investors know about the financial health of a firm. They also provide taxation and financial planning advice to individuals and organizations. 8. Become an FRM certified professional. Still need options before deciding what to do after MCOM? Risk management is a thriving industry in today's dynamic financial market. FRM is an excellent option for those looking for short-term courses. To earn the designation, you have to undergo a 9-month program facilitated by the Global Association of Risk Professionals or GARP. The examinations are conducted in 2 rounds in May and November. An FRM certification is an indicator of your ability to identify and analyze potential financial threats. As a financial risk manager, you can offer your services in diverse domains like credit and market risk, financial services, trading, sales and marketing. 9. Crack the CFP exam. One of the most popular career options after MCOM is a course in CFP. CFP is another short-term course that can help you find avenues in the finance and insurance sectors. Although the course duration is 6 months, you need to perform well in other parameters to practice as a certified financial planner. These requirements include your educational performance, demonstrated work experience, and professional ethics with a CFP certification. You can take up assignments in tax planning, insurance decisions, estate planning, investment management, retirement, etc. 10. Get into digital marketing. If you are not interested in working in the realm of finance and accounting, deciding what to do after MCOM can be challenging. It comes as no surprise that many commerce students chose creative occupations as well. One of these innovative pursuits include digital marketing. It is a component of marketing that uses digital technologies to promote products and services. Modern-day businesses cannot neglect the power of the internet, and thus this field has gained immense popularity in recent years. A digital marketing professional in India can earn a salary of around Rs 5 lakh per annum, and managers can get paid as high as 15 lakh per annum depending on their job profile. 11. Get CIB certified. CIB is short of Certificate in Investment Banking, a 6-month course for graduates who want to raise capital for companies by selling equity and issuing debt. It is a globally recognized examination that tests whether you can employ systematic and strategic methods to establish the valuation of listed and unlisted companies. Determining the right valuation forms a crucial part of investment decisions relating to initial public offerings, mergers, acquisitions, and other corporate actions. You can go for the CIB course right after your BCom. But having an MCOM degree will make it easier for you to grasp the coursework, which contains themes of asset management, equity research, hedge funds, corporate finance strategy, and private wealth management. 12. Pursue a career in teaching and research. If business and commerce interest you as academic disciplines, you can even enter the research field. A doctorate of Doctor of Philosophy (PhD) is awarded in majors like finance, statistics, operations research, organizational behavior, human resource management, and many others. You can also look for a suitable program of study abroad, provided that it meets your research interests. It is one of the best career options after MCOM. You can determine your interest based on your career choice post-graduation. Now that we have detailed a range of different career options after MCOM, it would be relatively easy for you to locate your interests. So gather some more information about your preferred choices and follow the path you desire.